This practice today is going to help get the stuck energy out of the base of your spine, free flowing it up to your brain to help calm your nervous system down. Hello, my love. Welcome back. If you're new, hi, my name is Laura. I'm a yoga teacher, meditation facilitator, herbalist, and ritual creator. And I help burnt out millennials like myself go from fried brain to Zen without a 42-step routine. Who got time for that? I know I don't. So I hope you enjoy this practice today. Grab a cup of coffee, because you know my slogan, if you don't, fueled by coffee, grounded by yoga. Let's get started. Gonna have you bring your palms into heart center. Taking a deep breath in and out. Another deep breath in and out. And we're going to tune in with this simple mantra. I bow to the inner wisdom. I bow to the inner wisdom. I bow to the inner wisdom. You can place your hands on your knees, palm facing down. You can have your eyes open or close. And you're just going to do some circles. You're going to inhale, circle forward, exhale, circling back. These circles can be big, small, fast, slow. Just inhaling as you go forward, exhaling as you go back. Waking up the spine and the hips. Reverse the circle. Inhaling forward, exhaling back. And inhale in the middle, hold the breath, hold. Exhale. And just kind of move back and forth however your body feels that it needs to move. And we're going to come into prayer position. So palms at your heart center, and we're just going to do a long deep breathing. We're going to be here for about 3 minutes. Inhaling through your nose. Filling up your chest, your abdomen, exhaling, letting it all go. And if any thoughts arise, acknowledge them and just let them go. About halfway done. Thinking about one thing you're grateful for in yourself. And take a deep breath in and hold the breath. Hold, 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 hold. Exhale, let everything go, shake it out. You can place your palms on your knees, facing up or down. Just feeling whatever is coming up for you. And now you're going to come onto your knees, and you're going to bring them little over hip width apart, and you're going to sit in between your knees. Moderation, which I will be doing, is just sit in easy pose. And we're just going to rock the spine back and forth. Just breathing in and out. If you have any type of back injury, then just visualize, just sit in easy pose and visualize the practice. You still get the benefits from visualizing. You're waking up that energy at the base of the spine, moving it up. More than halfway there. Inhale in the center, hold the breath, hold the breath, hold the breath. Hold, 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 hold. Exhale. If you are in the celibate position, come into easy pose. Putting your hands on your knees, palms up or down, and just Feeling the energy in the body. Moving your body however it feels. I'm going to have you bring your legs to the front of the mat. And however you feel like the best position for your legs, they can be close together or a little bit apart. And I'm just going to have you inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, start hinging at the hips. And reach your big toes, or you can have your hands on your ankles, shin. And just stay here and breathe. You can lock your index finger and middle finger into your toes. We're really stretching the spine. Again, if you have any type of back injury, you can just always sit up and visualize the movement. Having a micro bend in the knees. Sending that energy from the base of your spine up. The deep breathing, calming your nervous system. And slowly, you can just gradually come back up. Again, moving your body how it feels like it needs to. And then coming back into easy pose. And we're just going to be in a meditation for a few minutes. Letting the body get the benefits of the practice today. Your hands can be palm up or down on your knees, eyes open or closed. Just gonna deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in, hold the breath, hold the breath, hold the breath, hold the breath. Exhale out. If you have your eyes closed, you can open your eyes. Bring your hands to heart center. And we're going to tune out with a Sat Nam. Inhale. It's going to be a long Sat and a short Nam. Exhale out. On our next inhale, we'll begin. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. I am truth. Truth is all there is. I hope you enjoyed this practice today. If you did, give me a little coffee emoji or coffee. And if you want tea, you can put tea. I know not everybody drinks coffee. And if you want more, I am launching my beta program, The Ritual Reset. We start January 3rd. I'm only taking 5 clients. This is at a discounted rate. It will never be the same price ever again. So if you want to be in this cohort at a discounted price, the link is in the description. Again, I'm only taking 5 people. And you do get a free consult just to make sure that is a good fit. So again, we start January 3rd, and it will never be this price again. I hope you enjoyed this practice, and I will see you next week. Bye.